G'day all, it's Colin from PC TLC and thanks for joining me. In this video we're going to be auto-mounting data partition and creating links to the home folders, linking up to the data partition. So let's get started on that. Now in Feren we have a application called Disks, which is the GNOME disk, which comes default also in Ubuntu. So what we're going to do here is, with this data partition here that I created during install, we are going to auto mount. So we're going to edit mount options here. So I've selected that data partition there and click the gear icon, edit mount partitions, and we're going to unselect that and we're going to go with these defaults and click OK and put in our password. So now that has been done. So as you can see, when we start, that should now auto mount. So what I'll do, I will restart the system just to be sure that that's auto mounting after a restart. So I've just completed a reboot and I've just fired up Simple Screen Recorder, so we shall have a look. Hopefully we've got an auto mount going on. Yes, we have. It's auto mounted already. So if we go into that data partition and we right click, you will notice that we do not have selections to create folder. So what we need to do is open as root in this directory here. So just let me cancel that. We'll just go through that again. We click on the data partition, click on some space, open as root, password. Now what we do in here is we right click and go to properties, permissions, and click on owner and look for your name, which that's my name there, create and delete files. Read and write for myself. And then look for your name, username again here. Create and delete files for the group. Read only and access files. And that should be it. And we close that, and then we close that. And now when we go into there, we should have create new folder, create new document, so that's available. So what we're going to do is create the home folders. So I'll just quickly go through that. Okay, so that's the documents created. Now what we're going to do is right click. Now you'll notice that we don't have make a link in here. So if we go to this little plus sign up here, it'll say show more actions. So click on the plus sign there. And now we have copy to, move to, make link. So we're going to make a link for documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos. So what we're going to do first is go to the home folder and select our home folders, hold the control button and select the respective folders and move them to trash. I try not to delete them just in case I want to return them back. Then go to here and then copy, hit the shift key because these are all in line, and cut that and go to home and paste. Now all we need to do is right click and rename, arrow left, that'll take you to the start, and delete link to. That's about 8 enters on that, I believe. So rename, left arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you'll see, once they're renamed to the original name, it takes on the little icon inside the folder there. So it holds true to that. And now what we've got is we now have documents, music, pictures, all pointing to this data partition. So it's acting like it's the original folders, but they're actually pointing to this partition here. So you're not going to be using any space on the 60 gig root drive. It'll be all done within here, except for your home folder. That'll all be done on the root drive. So when you've got things like, if we go show hidden folders or hidden files, and you've got maybe your Firefox or Google Chrome, whatever, they'll all be in the home folder. So you've got to remember to back those up. You could probably link them as well if you wanted to. So we shall unshow hidden files. I just wanted to show you this one because I haven't done this with disks before. Normally what I would do is go to file system, to be etc fs tab. So normally I'd open that and do all this manually and go and check for the UUID in the terminal, but this has made that process a lot more automated and a lot easier. So that's why I wanted to show that one. It's a little bit different to what I've shown in the past. So that is auto mounting your data partition and adding your home folders as links to the data partition. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it interesting and informative, and thanks for watching.